Welcome to 715 Canary Street, located in Navan, Ontario. This beautiful 4-bed, 4-bath home sits on nearly 2.5 acres. This is country charm met with modern convenience. A stone's throw from Orleans, short drive to the city. Lots like this are truly a rare find. Walking into the home, you're greeted with a nice, bright, open foyer. To your right, you have a private office, perfect for work or study. Here we are in the family room. One of the beautiful parts about it is the view to the forest. In the summer, lush, green. What a view. One of my favorite parts about this home is the floor plan. Closed but open, giving you the ability to connect, and private at the same time. On the right, we have a 3-season room. Great place to enjoy a morning coffee, get together, whatever you want to do. And another feature about it is that the windows are actually real windows, giving you the ability to convert it into a true 4-season room. Come upstairs, I'll take you to the kitchen. Here we are in the heart of the home, the kitchen. A true chef's kitchen, featuring full-size fridge, full-size freezer, double dishwasher, oversized range, large countertop, doubling as a breakfast bar, perfect place to entertain, have breakfast with the family, storage, oversized pantry, enough room to put anything you might want in there. Adjacent to the kitchen is the formal dining room, featuring patio doors leading out to a generously sized composite deck, perfect place for barbecue, outdoor eating, or just soaking in the surroundings. Here we are in the formal living room, beautiful fireplace, sets the ambiance, large window, lets in a ton of light, perfect atmosphere to settle down, unwind, or entertain alike. Walking in from the garage, you walk into a good-sized mudroom featuring a powder room, ample storage from the kids. Come inside after playing outside with all those snowsuits. Upstairs, you'll find 4 exceptionally large bedrooms, each bright and airy with 2 windows. Any of these rooms could serve as a primary suite. The ensuite bathroom is fully modernized, offering a spa-like retreat with high-end finishes. And for added convenience, the laundry room is located right here on the 2nd floor, making laundry day a breeze. Downstairs, you'll immediately notice how bright the space is. Does not feel like a basement whatsoever, thanks to the oversized chest height windows. This space is an entertainment's dream, featuring expansive floor space to set up games, entertainment area, and to top it all off, a full-size wet bar. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle, offering tons of potential, privacy, proximity. Schedule a showing today and come see what this home has to offer.